If your curls look like this and you want your curls to look like this, come with me. Shook, Curl Wow, changing the game, naked technology. Here's why Shook is a part of my heart. I am a curly hair specialist. I asked my audience, how many products do you put on your hair in the morning? It's between 2 and 4 products. Because I am a curly specialist, I chose the most popular 4 products that the audience has given me. These are the results. Seeing women and men walk around that have put so much effort and time to achieving this, it's heartbreaking. Shook gives you 1 product. You spray from roots to end, and these are the results. This is why you want to use Shook. You get hydration, you get hydration, you get hydration. What it is a styler, and then we have oil, which is really gonna double hydrate you. The best part about this is watch this. I really enjoy seeing the products mixed together. Mix and fix. But the best thing about this is no silicones, no parabens, none of all that. This is good for the hair. Stay away from here and come on over to here. This is Shook. This is why. What are you choosing?